What's up, Jefferson here. So first, I just want to show you the power of what this actually is in my kit that you're getting. This is a wireless microphone. It's a wireless lav. It actually works pretty comparable to some lavaliers that cost as much as $650. I've been in production for a long time, so I would know. This mic, I'm super impressed with it. You can go on live with it on your phone, on your computer. All you need is a specific breakout cable, or patch cable rather, and you put that into the dongle on your phone, and then you can hear it just like that. So you can also just buy the square if you don't want to get the lavalier mic, and let me show you what that sounds like right now. So this right here is the audio just from the actual wireless transmitter itself, which has an onboard microphone, not quite as clean as the actual lavalier that you can buy to go with it, but it sounds great. It's a little clunky on the shirt, but you can also just take it off and put it to the side. Do your demonstration if you want, pick it back up and hold it in your hand and talk like this. Doesn't really matter. I feel like the point is to get the message that your students need to hear and not have to exert yourself to the point where you're shouting and screaming and running back and forth from the phone trying to teach your online classes. So disclaimer, these are affiliate links, but I wouldn't recommend you anything that I didn't think was absolutely awesome and bang for the buck. So this is what I recommend.